Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum 910p. In this video I'll show you the product preview. In the beginning, take a look at the left ear cup. Right here we've got the button thanks to which we can activate and deactivate A and C. Lower, we've got the game audio chat balance dial. Here we've got the volume dial. You can increase or decrease the volume. Thanks to this button we can mute or unmute the microphone. Right here we've got the 3.5mm jack and charging port. Here we've got the power button and Bluetooth button. Here we've got the spatial audio responsible button. Let's turn them around. Right here we've got the microphone, and additionally we've got the 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, special cable to calibrate the microphone, and USB-C cable to charge and also to connect to PC. In the end, we've got this Bluetooth converter. It's USB-C to USB-A. Thanks to this, we can also connect our headphones to PC or console. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.